This is a 41 Chevrolet Cabriolet. It is undoubtedly the fanciest, nicest 41 Chev in the world. It has 50 factory options, right down to a thermometer. It has skirts. It has deals down below to scrape your feet on so that you don't get mud inside the car. It has skirts, of course. It has a fancy steering wheel. I can't remember what they call it. Dual spotlights. 5-band radio. Please give me a thumbs up, watch the video to the end, and subscribe. It is NOS everything. The main body is about the only thing that's not NOS on this car, and probably the leather interior. Even the license plate frame is stock Chevrolet. Backup light over bumper ends, fold down bumper guard. Hard to see it, but it has it. It's got a locking gas cap. See the skirts better from this side. Has, can't remember what they're called, but extra chrome there. The hubcaps are 3-piece. It has the beauty ring, then it has a center cap, and it has a ring around the center cap between it and the beauty ring. Has right-hand rear view mirror, of course. The car is spectacular, undoubtedly the newest, fanciest 41 Chev in the world.